Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to link your PayPal account to your Discord, for example to buy Discord Nitro. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to go down here to your user settings in Discord. After that you want to go here where your billing settings are and you want to click on billing. Now what you want to do is you want to click add payment method, and as you can see now we have to choose our payment method. Now choose PayPal. Now I will not click it because it will instantly transport me to your login on your browser to log into your PayPal, and I don't want to do that right now. So anyways, it will pretty much transport you right there so that you can log into your PayPal account. And after that, after you have logged in, it will ask you on how you want to pay. And after you have done that, right here in Discord, in this same place, you will see your PayPal account. And then you will pretty much just click next. It will be right here. And after you have clicked that, you just need to type in your card information, your payment information, and everything should be done. One note, it will not charge you anything, so it's completely free to, well, link your PayPal account to your Discord. Anyhow, guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.